Hello friends, in this video I am going to take some questions of exercise 9.1. The first question is question number 1. In all these questions in this video we have to determine the order and the degree if defined of the differential equation which is given to us. Okay, so in the first part, that is question number 1, we have been given d4y upon dx4 plus sine of y dash dash is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to tell the order and the degree of this differential equation. Now to solve this question, first of all, I tell you what do we mean by the order of a differential equation. Okay, so the order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in the differential equation. Okay, so the highest order derivative present in the differential equation is d4y upon dx4, that is the fourth derivative of y with respect to x. So its order is 4. Correct? Now, this differential equation contains this term, that is the fourth derivative of y with respect to x, and the third derivative of y with respect to x, that is y dash dash dash. So the argument of a trigonometrical function is the third derivative of y with respect to x. So this equation is not a polynomial equation, that is a polynomial differential equation in the third derivative of y, that is y dash dash dash. Okay, so the given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in its derivatives, so its degree is not defined. Okay, so you must understand that any differential equation, if it contains the derivative as an argument of trigonometrical function, as a log function, as an exponential function, or the derivative contains negative power or non-natural numbers as power, for example fractional powers, they contain negative powers, so the order of the differential equation will not be defined, as the differential equation will not be a polynomial equation, and this is confined to the derivatives. So we have to look out that the derivatives should not contain not natural number as the power to which they are raised. Okay, so I think this concept is very much clear to you. Okay, so next question we are going to solve by applying the similar concepts, and they will be done much quickly. Okay, so in question number 2, we have been given the differential equation y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Y dash means the first derivative of y with respect to x. So the highest order derivative present in the differential equation is y dash, so its order is 1. The given differential equation is polynomial equation is y dash, and the power to which y dash is raised is 1. Therefore, its degree is 1. Okay, so in the last question I didn't tell you how to define the degree of a differential equation. So the degree of the differential equation is the power to which the highest derivative is raised. Okay, so this term contained only one term of derivative, that is y dash, and obviously its power is 1 to which it is raised, so its degree would be 1. So no question about that. Okay, if it contained many terms of y dash, then we would have looked for the highest power to which y dash would have been raised. Okay, again taking question number 3, we have been given the differential equation ds upon dt raised to the power of 4 plus 3s times d2s upon dt square equal to 0. So this question is quite straightforward. The highest order derivative present in the differential equation is d2s upon dt square. That is the second order derivative of s with respect to t. So its order is 2. Okay. The given differential equation is polynomial in ds upon dt and d2s upon dt square. Okay. Because both these terms contains the power to which they are raised is a natural number. Okay. But the highest power to which the highest derivative is raised is d2s upon dt square, that is the highest derivative is raised, is 1. So therefore the degree of this differential equation would be 1. Okay, fine. So we look for the power to which the highest order derivative is raised to calculate the degree of the differential equation. Okay. Next, in question number 4, we have been given d2y upon dx square whole square plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. So the highest order derivative is d2y upon dx square, that is second order derivative of y with respect to x, so its order is 2. The given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in its derivative because dy by dx is the argument of a trigonometrical function, so its degree is not defined. Next, in question number 5, the differential equation is d2y upon dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. So the highest order derivative present in the differential equation is d2y upon dx square, so its order is 2. The given differential equation is a polynomial equation in the second derivative of y, that is d2y upon dx square, and the highest power to which d2y upon dx square is raised is 1, so its degree is 1. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve this question, and this complete the solutions of question number 1 to 5. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.